Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 30th of October. This is your daily recap. One trading day left in the month. We have big earnings on tap for tonight. Staying late with you. We have PCE tomorrow morning, and the market here is basically sideways. We're coming back to the lows here, but really we haven't gone anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, very sideways here. And, just not a lot going on right now. The market's content to go sideways. We're waiting for a lot of big earnings here. We're waiting for the election next week. We have data tomorrow of PCE. The following day, we have non-farm payroll. Volume at 25 million shares with 20 minutes to go remains very, very low. Let's come back to Google in a second. Let's talk about the Qs real quick. The Qs today, tried to push and break out, couldn't, holding in a little bit better. The IWM had a big move but couldn't hold it. It was led by the banks. Nice move there. JP Morgan tried to break to a new all-time high today, couldn't quite get there. Citigroup and Wells Fargo also showed some strength. Energy remains very much out of play. Lilly reported this morning. It was not a good guidance. It wasn't a great report. They missed, but they bought a lot of it back. See if it can continue to hold this 200-day. It did come down, basically fill this gap from last time and push back up. And now we have a new gap to trade against if it wants to pop. Came well off the highs. CAT also not a great report, but they bought it back. Last night we had earnings from AMD. You never a good sign when you gap and you continue to go in that direction. We're on the lows here. Market's saying it's not happy. Google traded it twice today with stock and with options, but back on the lows, still up, but it's coming back down here. So, we're getting a little bit of weakness in it. I like the report. I still think all-time highs are in the cards if the market holds up that one. Reddit was an absolute monster, up 43% or something here. Huge move, game-changing type of move here. Probably going to get more off of this with that kind of report, probably getting a short squeeze. For me, I traded with options. I got to tell you, I didn't like the options on this at all. They didn't move particularly well. They played games with the spreads. That said, they also don't have to add options. That'll probably happen tomorrow. We don't have that many strikes. They're all right at the money. We'll see what happens there. So today was just kind of another day that we just kind of held serve. It wasn't a lot going on, pretty quiet. Most names are going sideways. Microsoft and Meta tonight will help set the tone. Then we have a whole bunch of other names coming in tonight. I'll be staying late with you guys. We have Coin, Hood, MSTR, Roku, Carvana, Starbucks, Etsy, and Dash. Remember, Microsoft is always about the conference call. It starts at 5:30. They usually do their guidance around 6 to 6:10. So if you're paying attention, that's when to be. That, everybody have a wonderful night, and I'll catch you guys bright and early in the AM at 8:30 for PCE.